Hi class, in this example we'll show you a brief sample Java program that illustrates how to declare an array of elements and also print the elements from that array. We'll be using the NetBeans 7.1.2 IDE for creating our sample application. To get started, the first thing that we want to do is create a new NetBeans project. We click on the New Project Creation button. We want to go and click on New Java Application. And we'll name our project Array Printer. This will create our shell for our sample program. The class created is called Array Printer 101. And here we'll go down to our main method and we'll insert the code necessary to declare our array. And so we want to declare an array of 10 objects. And so we'll declare the array of 10 integer objects by typing int. We'll have the array brackets. We'll call our array my array. And we'll declare that this array will have a size of 10, meaning that it can contain 10 elements. The next thing that we want to do is we need to fill the array with elements. In this initial declaration, we declared an array and allocated memory for the array, but we haven't provided any data within the array. And so we'll denote this is our array declaration. To fill our array with data, all we will do is create a simple for loop. And within our for loop, we will start to put elements into our array. We'll do it for each index of the array, starting with I. So here we say my array I equals, and what we can simply do is we want to declare an arbitrary value. So what we will do is say array element I equals I times I. So this is used to fill our array. Based on our for loop, we start at the array index of 0 and we go all the way up until the array length. And each time the array, the variable I is incremented, the value assigned for position I is set to I times I. Now what we want to do is have another simple array function or another simple for loop that is used to print the data from the array. And so we will construct it in the same manner as our previous for loop. So we will use the system out command to print all of the data that is available within our array. Remember that our array is called my array, and to access the individual elements of the array, Sorry, there was an error in our example here. So to access the individual elements of the array, so this completes our coding example for our array printer. And so now to test things out, what we want to do is compile and run our program. And we'll click on the Run Main Project. And here we go. The output for our array is shown down here at the bottom of our NetBeans IDE, and it shows all of the values that are used to fill our array. And so this provides us with a brief example program for learning how to declare an array and print elements from an array.